One of the banters that you're really passionate about, it's talking about Arsenal.
Of course.
Arsenal.
The season is our season.
Every season is the same thing.
I'm telling you, this season is our season. Timo is a business.
Yeah.
Businessman of the hip hop, of the hip hop side. Guye, oh no, Tiba wasn't a business side. Like Guye, why make a show, but I wouldn't put him with Spaza about the corner when you say Spaza will corner because he was part of a legendary group. No bankster. Yeah. But with Timo, he made sure that you make business. Yeah, I think there ain't a problem.
Yeah.
Because abantu abangasahlali ngaphakathi sebefuna uzomamela lapha so ubalekisa customers zakhe and abantu ke once akuthetha umzolo abantu bahlala bazomamela because umzolo nguye oza nebusiness for 150
yeah.
so sayimove lapha kwala side because man sometimes kusibiza Red Bull afike
I remember that era
but unfortunately hamba phela ayileweze kakhulu engqondweni kuba okay yo is like the kids abananda for bona because xa befika bayo perform kwezi black ba khoma crowd ban ezi because for instance bangathathi light mhlambi zazi performer bangathi light like the young gigs yo performer mhlambi kulezo kupha kodara phambi igumba Sunday abazu accepta njengohlobo njengohlobo izo ba acceptwe ngayo pha on no Friday hip hop nights. Luckily we just night out man I wouldn't say anything done part of noma outing nathi bana we focus kancane but I got out here nguthathu say out here now he was more focused 26 ayifuna bengathi idibese discipline nami ke ndipha nje kancane but now ukumosha because ngidibana neclass ngingadibana neclass yona othinhle ngibona ke DJ azinamsebenzi wayo amachere so sasina hectic babes azisincedisa
kwakugcwele babes
ngibe iskipha ngala ngomsokto brayo
Hey guys, make sure you visit our YouTube channel, The Kasi Mayhem TV. Come and watch our latest videos. Like, comment, and make sure you share the videos to everyone. Let's hit 5K subscribers before month end June. The Kasi Mayhemers. Love you.
Sendibone enye video show yo bayithemisa hospital yo guys
that one
fucked up phin cinge lawe lakakale ibine imoto ezingaka Ferrari if iLamborghini
Morgan
damn kodwa isibhedlela sibe nje ya
Mawumela
ilight betha ke let row ya masibanjwe man
Mawumela
masibanjwe because
Mawumela yazi ta abantu ababukele they wouldn't believe but it took us years to get you up. Got like you walk away from but it took you like I don't know how many times. I think at some point I was like, I know about the hot money and took up like you man is the black couch because like I remember there was a time and I don't know what happened. I think it was possibly on my side. Nah?
Yeah, I think what Ganet.
Not this week.
Not this week. The last time.
The last time
it was last year. Yeah.
But after that, we didn't like do like
a follow up because I think Saba busy on both sides.
Yeah.
Saba busy both sides. Yeah, Saba busy. So I'm speaking on the topic because of we got I ignite, you know.
Yeah, no, but I'm glad you're finally here. I really appreciate.
Kiss every day.
Otherwise, it's your boy Kaufman. I'm out here in Cape Town. Ukulete Barcelona Mathieu Mengla in Pole. South Africa, man. It's here to another episode of the Black Couch Podcast. Shout out to everyone who has subscribed on the YouTube channel. Guys, YouTube unendo entsha ngoku yoba you have to like the video so that I recommend kwabanye abantu. So when you like the video, it means that the video is nice. Make sure that you like the video and make sure that you comment. Don't forget to comment. But mostly, I want likes. That's the most thing that I want because it gets shared to e-pages abanye abantu. Otherwise, I want to make an announcement or congratulations to Crown Culture. Crown Culture just won the Savannah Comics Award as the best comedy venue in South Africa. Shout out to Crown Culture, man. You know, we've been doing open mics at Crown Culture. We've shot episode number 100 at Crown Culture. And also there's a music video by Tycoon Incorporated that was shot at Crown Culture. So Crown Culture is like a home to us. If you are in Cape Town, make sure you check them out. It's 140 Lower Main Road. It's very close to After Observatory. Check them out, man. They have the best burgers, best food. Check them out. And shout out to Ikeja. Almost forgot. Shout out to Ikeja. They make sure that we upload the episodes on time. www.ikeja.co.za, man. Otherwise, namhlanje diphethe Goog's finest. I know wazalelwe culture yabo waza eGoogs emncinci very young, but you are Goog's finest.
Yeah,
I think you're one of those people that they well represent the concept as a Googs. I always tell people my all-time favorite project to ever come out of Googs, the project Gassiz history.
Yeah,
That explains Googs.
Yeah.
Aboba ufuna understand the Googs, go and listen to that project. Like,
it's the first project, yeah, Ken?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because I remember. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It was mixed by Tatre.
Yeah. Remember. Like, when now you're one of those people. That's snack. How did you get to La Cama, bro?
Nah, it's just amagama just painting, man. Nothing much. I can't do like Isimba.
Yeah.
Just Jigama. Because I'm one of those persons on social media who likes talking.
Yeah.
Like Jau painting abantu. Because most abantu, even Kaubona engage abantu on Facebook, on social media, I'm always painting them.
Yeah.
They're always painting back.
Yeah.
Nothing serious, because I know once today was serious, you are somewhere else where you want.
Yeah. One of the banters that you're really passionate about, it's talking about Arsenal.
Of course.
Arsenal.
The season is our season.
Every season is the same thing.
I'm telling you, this season is our season.
Just because of La win semi-final.
What do you mean? We're in the finals. Come on, no lose. 3 draws, 11 wins.
Will you beat PSG?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, revenge time.
This might drop after a final. I'm not sure when is the final, but this might drop after a final. 30th of May.
Yeah.
This will drop before. Exactly on that week. Yeah, it's gonna drop on that week. So hopefully your words will prevail.
Of course.
But like, abantu, they don't understand that the passion of football, it's not like only upper. It's because you played football. Tell me about those times, because I know Googs, there was times like whereby I don't know if the associations were separate, but there was 116, there was a sports complex, then Bay 49.
It was one, just 3 different venues.
Okay.
So you go for.
Okay.
So maybe cookie game is let's say like 6 is the unders as ngizodlala sport complex as 2. I-49 bingasetyenziswa kakhulu because bilungiselwa for 2010 lungiselwa amabala.
Okay.
So bekusetyenziswa i-sport complex ne-116.
Yeah. So how was that time? Because I think one of the teams that in Kule Primary is Teto kakhulu ngazo yayengapha, I think. I'm not sure. Wakuthiwa Progress.
bayithetha ngeprogress.
That's why
Hayi serious ngibana ngethetha progress. When what year is that?
I was in primary school, man.
Yo, man, progress.
Maybe 2007, 6.
Yo, man, I can't remember thetha progress at that manner. Winning manner.
Which team was the best team at that time?
Yeah, of course, my team. Yeah, Young Ideas. Of course, my team, Young Ideas. Okay, no, Baleli teams like prominent teams.
Yeah.
At that time when I was growing up, the Tembisa, Young Ideas.
Tembisa.
Young Ideas.
Okay.
Elite. Cape Town Parade.
Okay, yeah.
West City. Section
remember.
2.
Okay.
My Inter, Section 2. Romance.
Romance.
Mtiezo.
Can't remember.
Real Ideas.
I didn't focus. I didn't focus much on it Diski because I didn't play Diski because I remember. Not that I'm quite that khulele kumuntu onesfuba, so like I couldn't play it all of them.
Shompakete bedlala professional level nesfuba.
Yeah, but like I think now I was more passionate at cricket. Yeah. I'm an all-rounder.
Okay.
Yeah, well, so I started with medium pace and then I did a spin, off spin. Yeah, but yeah, that's another
story.
But I was trying to tell you something that happened when I started playing disc. I played it at school. Yeah, and then normally you would play because Batinga defenders. Yeah. Everyone else wants to play him as a friend. Then we shot the defenders. They were like, man.
Even with trials,
it
was more of abantu bafuna bazistrike.
Yeah.
Because abantu bacinga la nto ba if uyascora bakujongile labantu scouters. Then his defenders zibe singabikho. So most abantu abanye abaclever bathi basifuna sidefend. Badefende babona ba the scouters zobona ba okay i-defenders imbalwa nithathwe. Then uchinche xa ungenile pha. Le nto yenziwa most abantu xa bengene evarsity athathe nje uma i-course ufuna ungena nje.
Then later on
I change. So injalo le.
But I was trying to say that funny enough Teacher Umatikane was trying to implement a boys team in Roses.
So wacinga wena.
I was part of those guys.
So wacinga wena oqala.
And our first game we played the girls.
Banibetha.
Was that was the first time like the more like I was like I regret it Paula. I will never go back. But what are the most fun moments like in terms of it Diski?
Sayodlala i-tournament eBloemfontein. Sayodlala eBloemfontein sabuya nayo.
Yeah,
sasihamba i-tournament ka Love Life.
Okay.
Where bathatha different sport codes salapha Cape Town. Which is can compete like for this position. So kakhethwa Young Ideas got the Cape and Parade. Ketty netball, caping is a sport is a lot. Ngezo C3 because lokishini ngakhona sport focus good. Ngezo C3 ezikwazi ukuqokelela abantwana fast. So Love Life ngesikhathi mos yaza active kakhulu ezilokishini kwenziwa idrama yonke le. So kakhethwa pha kakhethwa abanye abantwana zabe jive ndazi because sasibhizi kwicala lebhola thina. Sasiye ku university yapha. Then we played bass, I win and I but in your file siyamba leze parade sonke sikumnandi kakuyiwayo xa kubuyiwa yazibethiwe zona thina siwinile kunzima ukuselebrate kunzima ucelebrate ebhasini hleli medals zethu. So but it was fun, man. It was very nice. Yabona lo yenza Live Life just abantwana basuke ezikoneni. I wish one day aphinde ibuyele wezinje because if you look these days lokishini man I say lokish
Yeah,
uthi
yeah.
usiyele uvuke ekseni mhlawumbe uyothenga yabona ubus 8 to 9 abantwana basastroller down baya esikolweni abana discipline yexesha yonke lawe
Yeah.
ba ixesha elithile ixesha lesikolo ixesha elithile ngeyobuya homework sport code yabo there's no discipline ngoku andiyazi what's happening. I wish something could happen again ibuyise yonke lesa stima man.
Yeah. Bra, I call you Emily, but I thought I'm not gonna speak about this thing because like I get now the podcast, yeah. But I'm trying to think, bro. Go when ilendlu le isegqibeleni bake ngoku.
No, because yabo landlu leya ekhaya yabo.
Okay.
Indlu ka makhulu ami sisakhumzi kwesinye istrata ningasazi usazi but ngosibona uyasibona okay sistrato but awusazi ba yisakhumzi.
Okay.
Kungapha ngase ngasemoleni we1.
Okay.
Khona istrata ungakatangisi yamazi tangiso.
Yeah.
Kwanza strata ungasazi uba asithecwa kapha.
Eza strat kwezinyukayo.
Yabona xa usanda usuka emall usiya ngesport complex.
Yeah.
Opposite E28.
Yeah.
Kwanza strata ikhulele pha ke like.
Yeah. It's not the same street ka Swallow.
Uswalo la. There's no swallow.
Swallow ayifunda efezeka man. Rapper. Cause we shot kosa strato like
noma washuta nje but kahle
but kwakowabo man pha
noma mhlawumbe uzalene pha Peak Park.
Okay, mphathi nathethe into bra.
I know
okay
but
ithethe because abazusaza strato yabo. But next door klandlu there's a drug London. Then pa
noma ngotsheni ngile because I can't remember. Ayo lingathi Papa, let me not. I'm a snitch.
Yeah, but I have an idea of stratos. So, esa stratos ngene cangwa la barber shop.
Yeah. So nikhulele phaya mna.
Okay.
Khulele phaya and then sister wami wathenga indlu pha. Cha kahlali kuyo then wathi mina since phaya yaza area njani. Ngalogcina pha.
Yeah.
So nahlala pha. That's all wabona pha.
Because I think growing up we used to go in gladla ne olet and apparently gokuzalwana and stuff like that. Yeah.
Matches.
Hey, and we about gokuzalwana njani wena tata. I don't wanna lie. Yeah, even mzekelo like back then banda bangayaziyo isasa grant eCooks ayipeyelo quiz.
Oh yeah.
Yabo. So sasinyuka nanikhulele 38.
Okay.
Ngapha phezulu. So sasinyuka qethenesekile. So every time kuyokonzwa la process egrant kwakanje kubuliswa yabaza abantu abadala.
Abadala bayazana abadala wesabekhosi abasikuguleti kaloku.
Yeah,
because nomakhulu amzi ayinendlu elewezeni eNY7.
Yeah.
Sayithengisa i-fruit and veg.
Yeah.
So ndandi ukuncedisa qho.
Yeah.
Ndiyaxoka bese yekile ngesikhathi nifika from eKhalisha to the side.
Yeah.
So that's why wakwazi unithatha from bazali bami banizohlala
ekhaya. Why nali ixesha.
Ayekile seyimdala ba focus kum.
Yeah. But yeah, that was that, bra. But benifuna ukubuza how is it growing up kola cala like kokuthiwa se Arab and yana noba kuse Arab na.
Kulanga Arab ngikule kakyati alo.
Kakyati yayindoni.
Kakyati le ngene ihlala kuyo pha.
Yeah kaloku yayindoni.
Arab le 38 28.
Yeah. Yayindoni na Arab.
Arab le ndikubalisa yona 28.
Kaloku ekhondoni pha.
Kakuthiwa Arab just because of yes gangsters.
Kwangekho pha kolicala lihlala kulo wakhondoni.
Ngithi kaloku ikakyati.
Cause ethambo ilovane ngapha yini.
Ngithi kakyati. Kwinzithi kakyati. Kusekakyati pha.
Wakhoma kakyati.
No, just growing up isikhathi sakudala.
Kwangekho gangster kola cala.
Ngayikhona there's wakuthiwa ikakyati.
Oh.
Xa kuthiwa ikakyati sayi amabhulu kudala.
Yeah.
Sabe bayazi ba i-gangsters ipha. So bathi kakyati nje.
But ayizayindoni gangsters apha.
Yo. Ngiyeza ba mixakudala non dog pound ngabanda xoka ndiyazi. Wezakudala man before my time.
No ingxaki there's a follow up question along the way yabo. That's why ndikubuza like based on that concept.
Yeah man, and sasikhumbula because andizuyanga when it comes to gangsters.
Yeah.
But there's the reason why got try kakyat because yazi mosielewezeni kukulethu native yards.
Yeah.
So pha amabhulu zabekade besoloko imoshwa pha So that's why I got to a kakyat.
Yeah.
But Ngoxibi is a honey hat because nothing's happening.
But how's growing that's Golagala?
Nah, it was nice. I wouldn't say it was tough
Yeah.
because man could some don't makhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, once you light the street lights, can uqale nje usele mathunzi ngangena endlini.
That was 6:30, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Nah, I wouldn't say ban cannot ba kunzima kunzima yabo because that phone is why like umthetho msemncinci kakhulu.
Yeah.
But this is what you do, this is not what you do. Yeah, but because I had friends but shy, but ke ndakwazi uzimove kubo.
Yeah.
Because that installer msemncinci la nto ba lena I right lena I wrong. Mind you, as most yazo enakhula nazo jailbirds.
Yeah.
Ezinye zacisha.
Yeah.
But mina ngisekhona ngoku. So na sange ndifumane lanto ba okay, hayi like namosha, hayi sange namosha. Imagine kubanje umuntu onjengami. Na sange namosha man, andisikhumbuli ba ndithi bahlambi sihambe sonke siye noma kusem eyona before imo sihambe seka Shoprite so behlambi ichocolate zazibuya zona sidike zona ezawe ngoba sithi bahlala nibhola. Yes, that's what I focused on, my ibhola cha, and then cha sange bandimosha.
Yeah. And then how do you balance because I know Gooks like influencer is too much at that time. Like you honking or whatever.
Just at that time it's like you're talking about your back.
It was back then. But it was back then.
Yeah, it is,
because like I can still imagine at that time like your exercise into a very difficult for umuntu ohlala eBarcelona because everything else was like yabo la way ndanaye la concept yoba ndikhulele 38 neyinceda. But now I'm trying to get to this question about how did you get to choose izinto was let's say idiski at that time, because there were so many different things that you can get caught up in, because that era kwakhona and that's why I got my SNGC. Speed dance never get cold. Go see the speed dance. Yeah.
No. High school nafuna khona one phone. Nafuna abanye umjolo nje zange ndihoye kakhulu because abona nje isibelieve lesihlohlo ebhakeni.
Yes.
Don't
ngokubhala kudala
ndibala lolwana indimbaleka ndifuna umbona dibana because andifuma lawe because ndikhule very 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 quiet person. Not quiet I always speak when I'm spoken to. So xa ndidibana indiqoba andifuni ibhola man yondiphazamisa. Bhola nencwadi and also love drawing. This is my thing. But bhola nencwadi drawing. So enye nenge sayi distraction kum.
Yeah. It's interesting, brah. Like as ixesha lihambile, you were like totally different from the person that you're describing.
Like what person? Before.
Because you're describing this person who's only talking car.
I still am, but I learned ba apela ifini sometimes ezinye izinto ziyafuna address.
Okay.
Because also zambe udeleleke kwabanye abantu. Just because bacinga you this person ungakwazi usithethelela. So I learned it the hard way, but okay, you need to stand up for yourself, but uthethe ba ngikundo right. Kanye ube luthule. So le personal yam ndifumana apha ndimdala because man khule. Because I was even couldn't sucking my thumb now.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I was that. I was that quiet.
Yeah, I can imagine now. Hip hop cats like.
And I'm serious, buzz. Daika la way you daika nanapi. Daika night number 11 because go and like okay. Because I'm starting getting names because of the way I like let me just
11 it's like grade 6, ne?
It can't be grade 6. grade, yeah,
Grade 6, because I
yeah.
did my grade 7
Yeah,
and 12.
yeah. You can see.
Because now so by senior
Yeah,
scale.
yeah.
So there's a place that like besigqibothetha ngayo ngoku, and I feel like I concept yayo like olwahlobo describe ngalo has like built so many people and so many things that we are missing currently now at Googs yabo. Esports complex.
Yeah.
If you can also include ne JL's one. Yabo.
Yeah.
There was like a space for itiski. There was a space for hip hop. There was a space for Machaivan.
Yeah.
Tell me about la era, Brian. What do you appreciate much about la era, and also include when you get introduced into hip hop.
Mna la era mna I only experienced the soccer side and no much a bit of much but the reason why I can't experience kakhulu much because sometimes since ebusuku where else mkini be endlini.
Yeah.
So but ibhola yona ni experience ile yabo because sasiyazi ba okay weekends I couldn't siyenza ekuseni siqala siya coach sokwenza team talk and then siye ebaleni sodlala ibhola.
Yeah.
And then later on by 3-4 sodlala seniors ngoku. So singabukela kancane kangigoduke. Thina sasigoduka thina sithi coach agodukani ningahambe ebusuku.
Yeah.
Then bayazi abazali because ayisiya abazali bethu bachazela bayo ngixesha elithile mngini ba expect bababuyile. So then uchoy ba then uMajayivane yeah ndabukela mhlawumbe maybe shows abayi2 because zazazi ebusuku and ebusuku xa kuphuma uMajayivane bakukho ezi 28 ke.
Yeah.
Zorobha phakathi. Angifundi ke ukulo. Yabo zazirobha ebusuku.
Yeah.
So laqwa let me focus on ibhola xa andikwazi nojive mose mina nina 2 left feet. Because nojive nabuva xa ngokubasela ujive kodwa.
Yeah. Cause like now I remember any that experience la wena, but I had a story, bruh. God mali was my message a voice note Stone.
Sure.
Apparently there was a competition ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Yabo. And then after the competition ezase Arab zathi ku Stone makenzela webe yenza phakathi. And without music. Imagine ujive without music. Because the thing is also namachita ayinabo majayivane babo.
Yeah uleweza semkopha ngusizwe. Yeah.
So kakhona la tendency yoba ngaske ku competition wina machita.
I-headline azangongusizwe ngokopha zangiba Stone versus mali out yasithamba. Ilibeli kamzobuya kodwa sayi headliners uyazi bakugcwala pha.
Yeah.
Bagcwala because obukelwa zithu zizi headliners.
Yeah.
Stone aphula amathambo pha.
Yeah.
Shout out to Stone.
I need to sit down like man, bro.
Yeah.
Because like that era really interests me. And then kuza all NY like ifika like you're already like too much busy in it disk okanye busano qala okanye.
Oh all NY iqale busy idisk by sport complex.
Yeah.
So kadlala idisk sigqiba kwethu udlala khala umculo pha eside sihambe sizilight siyomamela. Azo light as such because we can see nazi indanga zethu zikhona but we still like I already mnandi in beseni mamela hip hop now.
Okay.
Because dala mamela hip hop I was introduced hip hop probably around say light xa ndimani siya pha endlini eCollege to visit all it opposite indlini zakho i-jukebox akho enye imeko kuthiwa nguTaplex.
Yeah.
West side yona yo Tupac Biggie yabo zonke ne-collection engaka so ihlala opposite endlini umculo so influence already was there.
Yeah.
So ndimamela wonke hip hop and then kabakho enye imeko yafika pha caba ichomi kalaweza kalaweza le imeko Taplex yadlala something different zaqala uyiva ngiqamba yo fuck this is dope. Guess why Utara. Hey, fuck.
That was.
Yeah, I was like, yo, shit. Yeah. Usikelanga thina number yakhe yaqala iqarive. Saphinde ikhumbule kodwa.
Yeah.
And then I was ngaqala uyiva phani ngandimamela phani qoma imali zifaka ezimeqa kufika la Mecta Bob wangena uChaba yimi isidadlala yebo so
Yeah.
say light ngesikhathi ngoba ke I know light is such means such
Yeah.
but ke like bingakayiqheli lawe because bimane kufaka ezawe mos i-O2 Park kumangelo Bhiki kumangelo Nazi kumangelo lewes TKZ TKZ i-hip hop abantu andiyazi iwe kwaito ize after xa bebonayo ba abantu they relate more on ikwaito because if you listen to TKZ ngoyisaqala they started rapping even kwakabelwa i-rap kabelwa tukula zabe rap ulezo uzwayi a singer ileweza what do you call this Chiscop Umandoza sabe break dance lewezeni stage was but influence hip hop so and then after sometimes ba evolve to the sound of ikwat because kwafika ezi out oKepile Roof sayifaka la mfutho wazo ba la ngathi twayilona the stars ka Kepi I wouldn't say punk and yazi man ngathi kang bam umuntu la why perfect at the early age at the early time we ikwaito zangumdu
Okay.
and Arthur yabo sabe yabo qing 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 very minimal beats
Yeah.
so bazabe yabo hey cop in front of man yabo so back to introduction of Illinois ne so okay enyimini si busy fast bodla libhola ngo siyapha sobukela ba ngena lemekinde ba stage thina sibumamele qha thina sango Illinois qala kwayo futhi sathiwa siskank amarasta
Yo, amarasta kudala khona.
Amarasta cha sayiwe amarasta lesa sifumene irasta ngibona and then kwafika eze hip hop game manje kufika umva yona amarasta ayengocutheke cuke phela ba Illinois so kafika lemekinde ba stage hey nansi voice what ndiqhelile abetha la track le isithi manje abetha yonke ngole kuma nansi le ngoma le so that's how I was introduced to Illinois from bebaleni to Williams and it's because it's just like A1 yeah
I'm trying to figure it out Onataba like uTakila is it the same person that I think he is because anbaza abantu ngamagama abo Nathan there was ngobuso because at that time I was very young. There was a guy emfushane emhlophe man. Oh that's him ne. Because mna ndimazi ngesound yabo la khotman le ithanda ubapha. Even nakoma Jaivano ayibakhona yabo.
Legendary. Kuye wa introducer when it comes to like the organizations on DJing. Yeah, we were talking. This is how you do it. One was just a basic because of all in was just basic. And the number that is because functions like basic just select, play, select, play. And how you read the crowd.
Yeah. Cause like I still applaud him if like usena wamandla ukwenza lawe dog. Cause recently last year he did collaborate again namarasta ekakiat
pailezo ni M9 happens ukoko it's very nice la way so
it's still happening
man senzeka
yenzeka
no Crosby no Lewis
no Sugar
it's nice yabona park njani now
it's built nice and I appreciate because I remember like I was standing with Utadla and I was like the Khotman man.
I think Takila is a visitor because he's no longer involved. He's a married man. So you can't be luhambe nje.
Yeah.
My visit to have a Bible bakui. No my ixesha zangathanda kakhulu I'm sure. Because uhlala ngapha esingamlweni ngokahlala selokishini.
Okay. Nah, that's crazy man cuz like I grew up like born and they appreciate la Khotman noba ndiyazi like zanda ncokola nayo xa ndibone hayi
the aura lobi ngakano ipicture
thande zazilamba zayo
killer sounds
that there's a time ke ngoku like where there's a transition now there's a new space ngoku kuthiwa ngwamlamli and then kukho la divide oba siyapi where do we go yabo kukho lena ngapha kukho leyana and then this side there's a gentleman called Utimo yabo how do you feel about la transition when, and also what can you say about Timo?
Okay. I wouldn't say it wasn't a divide, man. Abantu why besithi i-divide la,
Yeah.
divide eyenzekayo. Cha zange yazikhathi ba uTakila is no longer available oko because he's a married man, like
Yeah.
I just said.
Okay.
So isound imali bakhona ingabikho yabo abanye abantu basuka kwezinye indawo bafike akho Orlando-wise, and mind you at that time i-social media zayingakho that much.
Yeah.
Sayingabona ngabo abano Facebook.
Yeah.
So Facebook yaseyiwe entsha. So uTakila ngabikho sometimes ngabikho this time. Yabo. So abantu ngokubavela baye uTimo wavula phakamlamle.
Yeah.
So abantu bavele baye ba straight, and then i-die hearts ke zihlala pha Orlando-wise. And then after Orlando-wise kuye pha kuTimo. And also enye i-factor kuze abantu bathande phakamlamle more than Orlando-wise, because Kamlamle is a space escreen for abantu badala. Xa bephethe ijuice zabo.
Yeah.
Ngewe zabo sport complex kaloku indawo i-government, you can't just do anything mhlawumbe uphethe into zakho eziphukayo. So ukhona abantwana, so that's why abantu they gravitated more on uyakamlamli than Orlando-wise. So yaphela ihamba kancane manje icutheka ngolo hlobo. So there wasn't a division. It was just availability of the sound nileweza nabantu abakhethe kuyapha then ilewezini. Yes, Orlando-wise.
But like, what would you say like Umlamli and the shows did for hip hop up in Cape Town?
It shows Kamlamli. Yeah. Sorry. It say MCs ba there's more to hip hop than just open mics. Like it's like you can actually do an event and you do like a business out of hip hop. Because if you open mics, you just put on the sound ekoneni abantu odlulayo angafika khwele stage ubunxile kanjani afika thethe bayini. So and then Kamlamli awuvela ungene wangibani pha Kamlamli, you know ba le ndawo bay respected ba there's people om rapper ba ufika ne guest. So I would say Umlamli ufike ngalo way to mold hip hop. It keeps on not it kept on the such because Elino because I sense Tremaskabla is shy shows I got before it down. The page jukebox. But Umlamli one was I say location was accessible for the most abantu. Was it down go banzima ubuya from it down.
Of course.
Umlamli ngoku abantu bayakwazi kwalapho yakwazi walk yakwazi bamba taxi. And he is accessible Umlamli lapha ngase NY1.
Transport.
And you can like because sometimes abakho nestalls of impahla abanye bathengisa ibeads, so it was just a movement grand.
Like I want to understand because like Khotman I think I've listened to a podcast like one Timo. Yeah, but like he's a very interesting person, man, like from afar, yabo, because I've never like dinqokole naye kakhulu but like not ngento zakudala stuff like that. Like but like yena as a person like why ngibani yena like in terms of the space on like hip hop.
Timo is a business. Businessman of the hip hop side. Guye oh no Tiba was in a business like Guye why make sure ba I wouldn't put him with Spaza but ukhona when you say Spaza ukhona because he was part of a legendary group, no Leza no Khotman no Bankster. But Timo he made sure ba you make business out of your music because I think if not APSA is the first MC to put umculo wakhe ku-USB or a label in album yakhe. So you can buy album at USB ngesikhathi ba siyasuka from CDs to USB. So Timo wavuza ngalo way wazana nge-merch events. So and like everything you like be proper like uyayibona bine structure ngapha une marketing team yakhe we DJ MC like he's proper uyayibona ba is a proper complete MC on the business side. So uze ngalo way ba washaya event phakamlamli abantu they were like this is the shit.
Yeah.
So Timo is it's very important.
Yeah.
When you mention Cape Town hip hop on Elokishini, even like Quibbs.
Yeah.
Like anyway,
I think one thing I appreciate ngela xesha is the fact that not everyone was something. Like umzekelo, not everyone was a rapper. Not everyone was a photographer. Not everyone was a DJ. So for when as a DJ, do you think that it was an easy transition for people to appreciate you within the space to say that, okay, yeah, see, I'm recognized Ngoku Ranger as a DJ?
Can you repeat?
Like, do you think like the transition was smooth for you to say that, see, I'm recognized? Like, I'll make a quick example for me. The first time I did like a proper performance was at a Top Deck.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was turning 18 that day.
Yeah.
Exactly on that day. I almost didn't go in because the bouncer was like, yeah. But when I got in, the acceptance was there.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand. After I performed after OCs for some reason. I don't know why.
Why? Where's that?
But I did well. I was looking down, so I didn't look at the crowd.
Okay.
And then I think 3 of the OGs, I think including Vibes, came to me and they were like, can you look at the crowd? Yeah, but there was like that transition for me was a bit scary, but at least it was a smooth transition. The acceptance and the recognition by, okay, you're a potential rapper. Yeah, but was there. I'm trying to understand for you because already you'd say, oh, Timo were there. Yeah, did you ever get the chance to express yourself when I was a DJ Ranger at that time, or it was a matter of you just playing people's music?
In terms of school, I wasn't like technical DJ, but okay, now I'm gonna mix.
Yeah.
So when I went to Umlamli, that no 30% Uzwai.
Okay.
The biggest hater of youngings. Yeah, with 30% out here. Yeah, that's why that Timo. So they were already on a technical mixing song. So I was there about okay, magnifique. Okay, just nam bama so skill. Until now I knew about okay, this is how you do this. This is not what you do. So I was like now when I told the chance yamba, okay, let me mix. Before everything about sync everything, it was just CDs.
Yeah.
Which and play mixing.
Yeah. You know what I'm trying to get, Onata? I'm trying to get the moment whereby awuyo lalaiti now ungu ranger, meaning that we know na xa ungena ngaphakathi in the space now ufikile u-ranger. Like xa ufika into a space of like noba happy space, whether it's music, sports, ubanglamchita up until you kind of like prove yourself okanye you gain la traction whereby ngoku we trust him lo mchita. If the performer mna, I don't mind him playing for me because I already know he's gonna do, because I'm trying to get to that point whereby Timo was there and already playing for people. But in a scale so by like they appreciate. Omnyo would probably say, yeah, I'm nanzu performer ngekho ubani with Dex. When was that time like and how
on the hip hop
on the hip hop
okay yayenzeka all was I Black Friday, Black Saturday yenzeka until nayo yangathi yaphela kwamuvela 115.
Okay,
if you remember.
I remember very well.
Then zanithatha zameke zandicela bandincedise pha, then we started DJing lapha sayenza ngole kube mnandi ka grand until ngoku ndadibana andidibana ukuthi andizazi bekudani busy zizo cha bendinga DJ mna. I was more on uzincedisa don't take in sadibana zijomi zethu sasiba close to 10 people but saphela siba 5 where we do after parties is high schools. But they were only house DJs. So now I was just Kitarisha for the Tina I was only there now for the business side where so picture kwizikolo abantu this is how it's gonna happen, this is how we came at ticket sales where we gonna buy because that's hand to hand because we're dealing with abantwana besikolo. And then up aside in the busy on ndiyafunda this thing of teaching. And mind you, Goda's cut, there wasn't like abantu abaninzi abamemali hip hop. So yaqala yakangena la era ngokuba kukho hip abantu bayithanda hip hop esemzantsi. Ne organic when the club side because before sangabi commercial hip hop ngokuba uzomanyelwa ngabantwana abancinci. Yabo ngoku ngena ukharakara ngena levels ekwezo AK ngasikhathi yabo. Ngoku yaqala ungeniswa yaqala ungena ngoba how abantu bayefuna DJ hip hop. Asikoba ninzi nganguzwa inzi waqala wadlala kwi hip hop but kwezethu izinto sasingafuna ubukisha ezinye DJs because sasifuna yonke into belapha kuthi. So that's how ke ngokuba Park Cyphers on the block 11:15 into yanceda because it's a crowd versatile because abona abantu basuka eKhayelitsha, abantu basuka eJozi yonke, so they needed like to be entertained more than MCs zizokhwela on stage perform. So that's where gonna qala khona ba take this serious so that ba uzofika weekend after party esikole esithile we need to have a hip hop DJ 30 minutes set. So that's where ke ngaqalisa ngokuba okay, let me take this seriously. So every Sunday I make sure ba ndiyapreparisha ba iset yami by hour. Make sure people are there to entertain because ayazi umzolo zayibanjani. So it was crazy. It was crazy. So I make sure ba let me play music so that abantu ba enjoy.
One thing people don't understand about Umzoli, there were 4 stages. People don't understand about what stages before. There was the main stage, which was Umzoli. There was Kwapunga, which is deep house. Gentleman's music. Then Kwatri, which is Kwatri. And then you came hip hop stage, yabo. Which was really interesting.
Uyazikhethela ba ungena ngaphakathi uyakaphunga uyaka3 kanye uzapha kuthi. That's yabo ke kumnandi man. There's no ngakholanda bakorotshwa unawari but ke yaphela yensenzeka. That's why unfortunately Umzoli wavala because of the crime needs.
Who was the host of that show?
It's a specific person but Grits is Grits. Grits.
Cause I remember man like uta achi wayinikwe airtime engaka yena qhoxa efika ba
sasitha nguGrits kai nguleweza uvale out here kai RIP hlala be 108 man shit asweleka kodwa very dope MC freestyler libele igama lakhe athendi libala ngaka hlala be 108 lapha khawasweleka umshito bese hlala eJozi ngo somkhumbula kodwa apha china benonikhumbuza ndimlibele sayinguye either ngabo uJesu Christ yena anytime bakuphaka kamzulu afika thathe mic akunothi banguye so kanjalo
cause the archie when at time I remember one of my best days pana Cyphers on the block was when I saw uNqikilitye noMakatheni chilling on the pavement and in my mind I'm like jonge uMakatheni and I'm like nangi out China because you never
because
know
of the eyes
because I was like Senango China and I didn't know about uMakatheni and those bros that day zasingekho line up I even have it on my song lawe
uGrits uthi ezikhethe thecwaka abasihleli lapho sithatha imic zajika yabazo ziKhristiana.
That was a crazy era like I but I think ubonakala kwayo bayingathi yayeka is when they moved it from that side to this side eKawash.
yeah, I think ayine problem umzoli kaloku
Yeah.
because abantu zabangasahlali ngaphakathi ngizabefuna uzomamela lapha
Oh,
so ubalekisa
yeah.
i-customers zakhe
Yeah,
and
yeah,
abantu ke once athethe umzoli ufuna abantu bahlala bazomamela because umzoli nguye oza nebusiness kwa 150
Yeah.
so sayimove lapha kwela side
Yeah.
because simane sometimes kusibiza uRed Bull afike
Yeah, I remember
Yeah.
that era.
but unfortunately hamba phela
Yeah.
plus manje zayikubona zayikhona i-tension between abantu into manje ndiyayibona ba okay ngoku mayikhona nje iway nangulo umuntu unga ndayibona kodwa ndivala umlomo ndivala
There's something interesting about people like you and me, da.
sure
Like we start as students of the game up until there's a point whereby you are given the platform to say that akekho omnye umuntu ngoku who's older than you who's gonna do something for the game. It's on you. Yeah, but and when does that come for you? And if you could also include the birth of Catch No Feelings. Yeah, and what was the aim behind that? And siyabuya kule gang yakho no Tinkler. Because imosha but I want to understand that, like, where you feel like yabona ngoku ndim now who has to do something in order something to happen around.
no qale manje bizwa zi out xa sithi zine gig sithi bazina DJ cela uzi DJ bayizwa khongxaki ithi I'm available basambe khongxaki pop manje isikakhulu lana sisebenza kakhulu umjithu lezo uReptile
Okay.
singa mameli la gaga le
Yeah.
Reptile no Bob
The original Skebengu.
no Bob yeah ngafuna manje bayi DJ yazi manje DJ yazi up until uleweza uTamadera waqala la we M4M
Okay.
yeah wayiqala but nathi xa nizofika mhlawumbe okay so introduce as a DJ wabaseyeka ngokuvejita yena
Okay.
besipano no Big Wiz.
Okay. Classics.
Yeah. So ke nabayi official DJ M4M. This is where ke wonqalisa like back very close no Rebongs no Bondu no Pin Code.
Okay.
Yeah. So saspana ngokakhulu kuma Tamadera is a very hard worker. Yeah. It's very very hard working like bontu hlikihle. Yeah. He helped much it on wanceda nam as to build the brand in Go Range.
Okay.
So this is when abantu baniqala unibona okay no le out masithi asibona kwezi ciphers but sayibona okay this is Go Range lo beyibona ezi ba kulamjita amamdj yayo pha but
That answers the question
yeah ngibona ba engulamjita lo lengo manamba no bongs man senza izwe senza ne shows by Delft battles before ndiyenze zami zandincedisa kakhulu bongs enze weze battles.
Yeah.
If you remember M4M.
I remember, I still watch them even today. my favorite battle was the battle Gaqawe no Argo.
Yeah, that's a White House.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a White House. Yeah, it was very nice.
You were the DJ, Alamin?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That
was a dope one. Because I remember when I think when Kawe did a punchline, go speeds, got to speeds laugh. That was dope, bruh. Who was shooting that?
Cadence.
Okay.
Name Cadence.
Okay.
Cadence. I was
quality image.
I was a DJ and then Ubuntu was handling the lights.
Okay.
Yeah. Isaqala nayo the lights.
Yeah.
Then ube wongs baby host. Yeah.
So from there you gain the traction, and then what happens after? Like, when do you establish Catch No Feelings?
We worked for a very long time on Lubongs. Since the indincedisa ku events like events. Ngapha community busy no thing like one. Yeah, me brand abesayidini yakhula like on a different side of hip hop.
Yeah.
On abantu be house band us because we have another group like side dominator when it comes to the high school kids.
Yeah.
So ibrand yami bikhula ngolo hlobo, they know me as a ranger. Then sathini na, okay, and then I met then I met to AV. We worked out yo asaspan no AV yo till today namhlanje ingikabi ku grand fund one angikabi call and ba yo ingathi ngumjita ngabe ndimfonela anytime say AV yes man since ndoni. Yeah, and then sahamba no AV no Bongs saye Joseph Khaphe u Rebongs,
Okay.
for like King of Western Cape.
Okay.
And then saphuki ulololi kula side ubusy laweza twana door to door.
Okay.
Sasiyo sa perform eMpumalanga. Yeah, so sisaya against we DJs ayipha and sayikhumbula no Rebongs naye against no AV. So ngabamnandi kulapho ndibana ndiqala udibana no Loli.
Okay.
It was savele saklikani ngathi abantu bakudala sazana no Loli. Sas welcome apha kwendlini yakhe sahlala ka Grand. Sabamnandi. Wabuya na side Cape Town wayenza door to door. This is when uba uBig Zulu akabikho komkhulu sabhikile. If you are jonga picture kudala inxibe i-track suit emnyama. Sabhikile kabinani.
No, I think I was there ku battle yakhe no Vegeta.
Sayengo Vegeta lo. Sayengo angumusangi zangibana.
Zangithi yenzeke kodwa ikhona battle ezangithi
yayenzeka ka Vegeta nala awumani libele. Qale noba kusezona center and ayizuba i-battle ba.
Oh no, they were advertising the battle. Because I remember battle zangenzeke theater.
Hayenzeke theater.
Yenzeke theater.
Lapha engathi wona. Kayingxaki ngaladakho eyazi nje eziselweni lokishini.
Yeah.
Kukho event but ba busy ngento meeting politics. So we have to move abantu. So yabo yonke into
and go move on it.
Imagine.
Because I have to move on.
Center isente yolutha abazomove bona. Hlala ngabe ehangeni. Because ayizoba nice by theater
yeah because I think I promo liyayenzwa because it was on a normal show on a Friday. The normal show yayisenzeka pha and then he was there. But I was like I had no idea but wayinconywa shem ngowiper uBig Zulu.
Yeah,
like I had no idea who he is.
Sayisengalaka lokhu uBig Zulu keza punchlines zakhe. Yeah, was so this is when si click on Loli.
Okay.
Click on Loli. Nama ke ngoku nda establish just after Sanbuye chosen no Bongs. Aqala ke kule Cash No Feelings.
Okay.
This is where that okay, this Cash No Feelings is going to be an umbrella of everything that I do. Where is merchandise, DJ side, racing music, graphic design.
Okay.
Bengaqala isi photography with a bit of videography.
Yeah.
And yazi ba anything should I do izo by umbrella yayo le so that ingabikho ndile bize ligama so whenever January registerisha izoba under yonke lo ipha. So this when I started doing yonke events.
Yeah.
I already did events already as a high school part as Cash No Feelings. This is when I started doing events. Event after event.
I want to ask you this question. Maybe like skipping some other things, but like, what do you like the most about making events, and what do you hate the most? Because I'm thinking, brah, maybe I'm mistaken. You've done events in Duluin. You've done events. There was
Sport complex,
ne? There was le plaque le lapha ngase kule ndawo disable. Zangenza events ba?
P.
Khona lo holo man lapha ecangwe cawe.
zangu opportunities abenzi open mic.
Okay, or you were not. And then you've recently done something in Y1.
Nah, it didn't happen because the reason why dayibona imozulu ayikho mojo.
Okay.
Equipment yabantu leya.
Yeah.
Abanye bazo understand abantu yona suppose buyenzi fethu. Anything should happen like equipment they patala njani.
Yeah.
Because ayo equipment
ayo
ndandithathile ayo equipment just nje wa i-combi i-laptop i-connect kwi mixer thatha mic like so was a proper equipment. Anything should happen, the equipment anikho nina ishekela mna iwe. I understand abantu befuna because bagqibe kudala kubekho into igqulethu, but I had to cancelishanga, just postponed till further notice. Due to weather. Now I understand by where I mean then I joke dala by weather izoba njani yabona izoba moch, but I mean ayibona makho because there's one way jonga sorry jonga call it out to be even Eastern Cape was proper even kwanet equipment yamoshakala izobuyela abantu kaloku. Going back to le bensatsho bensenzi uqala kwami kwenza event ndayenza eKhayelitsha 617, but zange ndiyenze because of i-venue la make yakhe yabeske yasokolisa man. Okay khona akwangqa kwanceda wanithitha ka early wanceda kathitha ka early ndabachazela manje okay ayizi ukwenza into ayipostpone and icancelish and then phela yenza ngokmore ezinye ngo.
I want you to focus on Ndulwini because I feel like that was an era that I know it didn't last for a very long time, but like that was an era at some point because like the hype was there, the energy even online, like everyone wants to go to Ndulwini.
Man, and but the young kids babalambile enough for bona like to base space abo se hip hop hansi nayenza Friday ndingayenzi party viki because I mean weekends kukho abantu be house. You can't compete with abantu house in hip hop. So I made sure by every Friday kambe uyespan yaphana olungisa pa. Let's do every Friday siyenze iwe nisuke kula ngqondo ba we have to go to town ngoku nansi town yini apha nyukani nansi Ndulu everything yonke nifunayo ikhona akho dishotayo apha then xa niphuma nihambe nigoduke safe. So that's you where I say ayileweze kakhulu engqondweni kuba okay is like the kids abananda for bona because xa befika bayo perform kwezi black ba khoma crowdman ezikuthiwa because for instance bangathathi light mhlambi zazi performer bangathi light manje like the young exiyo performer mhlambi kulezo kupha kodara phambi igumba Sunday abazu acceptwa njengohlobo njengohlobo izo ba acceptwe ngayo pha on Friday hip hop nights. So that's one of the things that ba okay, let me open up the way for the young one and because I was like management and busy and busy event management pa. So Fridays pa impossible abantu bafike emsebenzi bakwenza baya ebutraleni. So nathi ba like how about we do the way every Fridays. You are man ifuna every last Friday but ngaqhuma man let's do it every Friday. Yathi ngakhi yathi make ba inangxaki because as long xa indawo ivuma ivula yabonakala ba indawo evulwayo. So that's why that's how it happens.
Okay. That's interesting. Funny enough, Zion been a chance. I think I went to only one. I can't remember, but I could show you one. And
I khumbula lo sayika kaPundlobengela. So ngibe sithe kaNdlobongela kanye kaTaloli. Between those two.
Possibly Ndlobongela.
So ngibe sort of la top yakhe ngathi ne African print. It zip up.
Okay.
I think only one.
Yeah.
I think second one if photos.
Yeah. Cause like I grew up there when I thought. Indawo abo phakuma estratweni kwakungalwa pha and then kwakhuyidladla eyayilapha estratweni ayithengisa utywala and sasithanda ukhapha ngetroli kuyonqa and then uzothengelwa ibhompi le khona la bhompi eyinkulu awusasiya bawufuna ibhompi sama funeka ukhaphe la khona
Yeah,
manje
yeah.
ihambi yonqaya pha endulwini iza kunika itroli xa kufanele inyuke
Because
pha
indulo zakwaThapho.
yeah ikunika itroli xa kufanele inyuke pha
Pusha.
so that is ena la bombi yabo but like that was a dope era that I don't want to lie and then you started now I think before sigle COVID extending a goat
Jim le goat.
like literally yaqala ukungena igoat ilandele igoat so I want la makhotman o think lata like yes motionless I think maybe from ngaphakathi yayifan yabo but from ngaphandle yayifan also yay interesting kum because ndandila light kwakufanele naye ibuye elendlini and also iways koma town don't dangavumelekanga ekhaya yabo la way but like tell me about la era ta like how was that era like for you nina ngaphakathi and also hearing the noise ngaphandle because these students is the noise ta like dala noise ayisenziwa zii students
the more noise the students the more currency
but it's dangerous at the same time. I want you to talk because ndamza kubalisela linye ibali that's the reason why it's dangerous lando yokwazi was students
kuthi man as much sasisemancane nathi because sasandiphuma high school yabo skisa sasandiphuma high school the time
no ndiyazi ingxaki le couch yajonisa
nathi imaqanisela nje
awe
sasisemancane nathi yabo if we knew ezinye izinto sizaziyo ngesikude because into sasiyenza ne we go to high schools sasiyazi ba okay ngokuzofika ixesha ngule after party just nje pha after just before September most years ne sifike si propose ba yo mamelane man sindolo nale group hectic entertainment we senza lewe sina sasine already sine partnership ne club Eleven town Platinum Lounge.
Yeah, I remember
Platinum Lounge yavulwa city.
I remember Platinum.
For your information. Sai city wayivula Platinum. Kuziyazi Platinum
like maybe 4 or 5 dope clubs back then. There was Platinum, there was Voodoo, there was Club 24 Bree Street.
Voodoo was before my time.
And then there was Liquid.
Liquid kala city
Liquid yayilapha elawezi
yeah sayenza they enkulu they club I think the first
event garage
the first event thina sayenzayo was high school was matric the first event masafaka abantu more than 500 people like Lavin because Lavin was massive
and goku space party
sayenza
akona ngoyo ba
cheat code sayenza 16 December andizayikho ayikho phakathi pha
itown so ngaphandle
kodwa amarhati waphele besiza bezantsi aphele sis because kugcwele itaxi kalongo
wasn't that same time that if I possibly because the other story but like it got hectic outside because I remember like sasikhula nathi up until a point because Tina there were guys that were like then TJ like this as a Hazeltine. Yeah, but that's when I started to, and it was around 2011, 2012. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, that might be the same era. Because then TJ is a light, you know? And then there was Amachi Doctor Amasui. Yeah, bo. That's Kimpund. That's Kimpund creates speed and as Hazeltine. I like as Hazeltine, Montana Hazeltine. So ngezakasi. So khake nguzitya abantu babantu abarongo yabo zitya amametos o spring yabo amavato nez nonsense yabo. So I remember thina sifika phanga se Liquid and we knew man kind of like knew basungena apha because that's underage yabo but kwakho vibe na ngaphandle yabo
likhwandam ngaphandle
too much no siyaya wayesa qualifier at that time yabo So
Ngomthembu that time kuhambe ngebhaza uyazi yako.
sasifaya ngelawezi Avanzi saphatshelwe sandofika yabo sasifaya ngeAvanzi because sasifuna ibhaza. I think you might know this guy. Khona out here ihlala opposite ifezeka pha phezulu wakuthiwa nguJackie.
Ngiyambona manje.
Inamabhaza.
Ngiyambona manje Jackie.
Yeah, athathwa ngabanye abantwana ababhayikazi. Abantu methi kancanywa amaswi.
Icinga lo mhlawumbe trip G1 nguya nje 1000 rand.
Yeah, hayi 1.5.
Icinga lo yo.
Yeah, you I cash out.
You
I cash out.
Imagine that time.
I cash out for real. That's why I respected ibhaza lika Jackie yabo. So what happened is that sathi silenda phange Avanza yethu were approached by Amava. Oh, actually were approached by Amaswi qala. Because now they started to see bas ne popularity ethile nabantwana besikolo and then si popular ngoku man siyaziwa. So they came to us because bafuna uziko police. At first they were like hayi kakazelides asinginqini, but now they were like bakho abantu abanenzela into eziphansi nisibize yabo, and we were like laughing at that thing yabo ngaphakathi, and then sahamba. Maybe less than 5 minutes later kugqinga amavato. Kanizibone like obahle. Ziyafunwa ngoku. I'm like damn.
But as much I mean sawugcwele ngaphandle. I don't remember bakutho kwaliwa phandle.
No. Didn't happen.
Azayidawe nje.
Nah, it didn't happen because I think by the time banyuka abantu kwayiwa eBree Street by Club 24. Yeah, kwayiwa pa, and then shit started pa because City of Cape Town wabizi CCID yagcwala pha yonke. So kwakucoshwa kwamntu so that babeyazi majority is students ofuneke zibe sengxakini emakhaya. So uyabanjwa so that uzofonelwa kowena uzolandwa kowena and then siscam yonke la way yabo. But I think thina saba sorted before yonke la way.
Sure.
Yenzeke yabo. But like I still want to understand from the inside perspective that like when you guys doing those shows kunjani, like niyazifila like okanye ni focusile span like to make sure that you pull this shit.
Luckily usasinayo out man yabo nami I wouldn't say I'm part of loma outing ngathi banayi focus kancane yabo.
Yeah.
But I got out here to nguthathu. Say out time now.
Yeah.
He was more focused 26. Ndayifunda ngathi idibenzile
yeah.
Disappear. Nami ke ndipha nje kancane but na ukumosha because ndandibana neglass. Yona ngadibana neglass yona. Othinkle yibona ke DJ. Azinamsebenzi wayo amachere. So yeah, sasina Nick Hectic Babes. As it's not this, I
wakugcwala babes
da. Ngibizikipha ngalo. Come so to pry. So yeah, so at least sasinayo yabo ngidinga but if into sesiyazi ngosasiyazi ngela xesha lesikude because imagine abantu abayi above more than 500 inside. Bathengile amatikiti bangaba khomba baphiswa ngamatikiti.
Yeah.
And then pops I saying noma incane noma 30 rand but at least we can build on top of la mali sasenzile pa and do another one. Yebo. Kind of sasezi light nathi ogqikiwe ngengomso kuyabrayo gqiba kuyahayelwana. Sibaninzi owaninzi.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe umuntu athi manje sinayivuyela because you're still a student.
Yeah.
Yevuyela mali nje uyakwazi ukubonisa okay endlini bayi nansi endizeni le mali. Niyama ebusuku lithi bese kwenza i-business nanto i-DJs and at that time zangakhona that much i-DJs.
Yeah.
Like now sakho groups we are one of the mhlawumbe nguqaqale Ratanak isithina la blueprint sayibona ko Ratanak but sasijumi thina sasingenamuntu osiphetheyo.
Yeah.
Sasiqala thina as light.
Yeah.
So say grand man because we're still young.
Yeah.
Sizi kasi uyakhona la yeah sisithi yaba. Sisithi yaba.
Yeah, because the news would spread very quickly. Because I also remember when we did our first street bash in Hazeltine. Actually, we did our first street bash, which was nothing. Yeah, but when we did our second, because asifunda kuzigela ngezigela and then low pusha kwisigela sakhe all of a sudden we did something massive as angasibelieve nathi
consistence
kwagcwala so ngoku kukho ighost Nama Island now ofuna ufika. It was a chaotic thing, but it was beautiful at first.
Yeah.
Up until Guliwe and all of that.
Yeah,
But the fact that we did that the following day, that's like sweet, yabo. So I understand la way I figure. But anjani amahotman.
No, we still good, we're just very, it's a grand, but ke sibadala so sine different responsibilities.
Yeah.
Bayaspana abanye baya business ways zabo. I think I'm basa DJ ne, but abayo way.
Because I think I've seen the thing. Like.
Yeah. I think I'm just one of the, if not only, who's still like in the art, like just as but like 100% developed, because I going inside it's art.
Yeah.
Even this band some it's pretty art.
Yeah.
So you saying him. But Sakmal says a story on Pazamisa.
Skis,
but la 16. La even cousin was in Harvard. So yeah, but such so sasia ku high schools ne. Yeah. Sifike sithi okay jo mamelani bangaphi nizi matrix. Hlama by 50. Okay mamelani sisi ne.
I think yeah kona. I think man.
Mamel. So sithi bangaphi? By 50. Okay. Jo lesson ne by 50 ne. Sinikeni i50 rand wonke. 50 times 50. 5,000. Ne. So nika matikla ithuni uzithengisele. Imali yakhe yabuya back 30 rand ne extra igene 10 rand. Abananga like bayikhuphe sithi ke but i-dog i-take inze emnyango sithathwa sithi. Sayazi most abantu bathenga imatikiti. Sayazi siyenze more than le mali mhlawumbe siyayibuya nayo close to 15,000. Yabo. For high school. I-venue asibhatali, i-sound asibhatali, bounce asibhatali, we just bring customers.
Yeah.
So just imagine, mhlawumbe sithole high school ezi4. Do you see how much money siyenzani? Sithengi sound, phina sayithengisa because we still yabo. So iwe njalo of it, but it was a nice man. So it was a nice journey, man.
Yeah.
It was a very nice journey. We still have pictures.
I can see Manu's post.
Yeah, we still have. It was nice. Yeah.
Nah, that's dope, man. I think that's the same reason why I'm watching Uchisa no as our shows like that. Because like there were so many great things that we're already doing at that time, but iskolo mhlambo kanye way to handle things saziphunula along the way, you understand? And then now we're trying to think too much hard. Yeah, but sifuna uzenza into zibe too complicated. And if we could take some of the things from there and just like modify them upon a bar, we could still do the same vibes, and even better now because there's social media. You understand?
Yeah.
So it would even go crazy because even the quality, yes, is better with the cameras, everything. Because when you level than that time. So I feel like if we could like really revisit some of those things and like try and take and then just apply and go, we might go crazy.
Let's try flyer from this Copa Siam down. So yeah, the Fridays down to students.
Yeah.
Flyers in. So yeah, sifaka amachera amahle ba in front you. Lapha siyanikeza.
Ngoba kana amachera zegooks. Zamukiya amachera zegooks.
Omama abadala bachatile.
Zamukiya amachera. Cause I call amachera njengazi bayo ubali nobali.
Bafazi abantu.
Cause I remember was a Hazelden engibana. Engibala mlani Kim ne? I think I'm Kim. Ayisaziwa lamlamba yo acho indawo naye.
Bafazi babantu
umuntu uzoza.
Akuthetha bafazi babantu. I think indoda izintumo media make flyers.
But it's part of their life though.
But ungafuna uyiva lo wena. Try meta kwa babe, a hectic babe.
But ketile though. At least to kete so much, but at least dog or ever. I like understand like something, yabo. You've worked with so many people, bruh. How does it feel to work with the OGs, especially like Banobafana no X, knowing where they come from and like, cause like ingoma zalama Khotman ezinye zazo would use them as standard for rap. How can I put it? Umzekelo kindergarten songs. Yeah, but they are kindergarten songs. Yeah, aizo zakho, aizo zigabani. They are kindergarten songs. Anyone can chant them. But like there were rap songs whereby they were like, this is standard so rap, like ndo fundela u rapper. Yeah, understand? Some of the songs and zazas tulongobani, but you would rap them as if ingoma yakho xa amanye amajita arapayo. But if ever abanye abantu bayazithola ba man ingoma kabani, then you'd be caught up. But like working with Lama Khotman and understanding the kind of work that they've done throughout those years, and now they are giving you, how can I say it? They're trusting you with craft yabo. How is that, bruh?
I was always an open book when it comes to working with people.
Yeah.
Because I'm from All-In-Wise to Timo to Cyphers on the blog. Sapina Sayenza open mic show up what Des. If you still remember, up on Pisto,
Okay.
So Fridays, Bantata, says away Friday nights. I host on Siskani.
Okay.
Or creates a onge la mutu oi. Bantata most by so I got Saibon sponsor go Sagbon one. So I was under I'm a pico of the Kaki legend, not only in Cape Town, like in SA. So I learned so much on how to work with abantu abadala before like implementing by working so sevens and doing my own things.
Yeah.
So it wasn't that difficult because I understood how they think because they came from the same era. If you or X no create possibility no X sabegui group one unique.
Yeah.
So X up until Tibana in say lockdown, do you know stove if you have a stove team Negisto. Yeah. So I see lockdown. You don't know I lockdown. Yeah. Clearly, like said, nothing happening. We're just doing
Yeah.
And then X King stove naturally. I have this idea of this beat, man. This beat. If that beat is inspired by if you remember the rich don't Rick Ross type of sound if you remember, but we made sure that we don't lose the hardness of it.
Yeah.
So science Kwafiku X science be freestyle and so when it comes to freestyle. Yo. How full same freestyle. One take lezanga besokolisa la bese ibethwa ilisa le that okay since when uqhebele kudala like to release music, how about apha igqibeleni just to give someone ongakwaziyo ngubani uyibeke phala black nje.
Yeah.
So that's how la ngoma ayongoma sayiplanile la ngoma.
Yeah.
Shit,
I was listening to that song so much. Like, trust me, the video, I was playing it too much.
Even the video was too easy to shoot.
Yeah.
It was too easy to shoot. Song is basically spend like 4 hours because that's man hlala nje siyenziwe zethu. But it was straightforward, but superstition. Superstition.
I love this.
Google it to your search before press the search.
Yeah, that one. Zogi like Zagas in mind fuck. Like
if you think now, Google just search before press the search.
Yeah. That was a dope project.
It was the only song I recorded man.
Yeah.
It was the only song. Because even that time, man, as much as I'm good about, people were going through their own own stuff.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
nathi sasi part of your art kavele kwavala yonke indawo.
Yeah.
You don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Ekhaya banisuse kuthiwa hamba bahlala NY2 because usiphathele corona wena.
Yeah.
That's when I moved to NY2.
Okay.
Because kwathiwa ndihamba ebusuku hamba nechomi wasiphathe because bazalethu behlele phambi kwe-TV bathola
Oh,
la
yeah.
bathola la mind fuck ba
Yeah.
the way once in the way
Yeah.
engenye yandimoshela iwezininzi yazi we khona because khumbula ndenza i-event my birthday celebration ndandiyenza nge-2nd ka-Feb
Yeah.
because i-birthday yami nge-3rd January. So yena ndabhukisha uNjelic honest shoot the way I'm already was ndikhuphe my single Futsek.
Okay.
We were pushing the song. It was doing nice. Pushing single. And then sagqiba nje ngalawenza but ingqondweni isayibe ondithi ingqondweni isayibe amanje endabeni lewe there's this virus eChina yenzekayo and eseyikhombe one ofikileyo ndwandwandwandwana kwathiwa ucishile one eKhayelitsha ndihoyanga mina kwezindaba ndizwe kakhulu. We did that event, fucking amazing event, yeah. Gcwala kakhulu. Ngesikhathi uNjelic safika ushesha geza. Yeah, it was nice. Kwapha packed bandulu from phezulu to ezantsi. Ndagcwalisa. Kusami ngisokolisa kagcwala everything. The next Sunday I fly to Pretoria to shoot a music video. Le ngoma le noLoli.
Okay.
Shoot a music video. Sayigqiba the following day ndabuya. Ndayishutela ngapha ndifuna shutela ngapha. Ndifuna something different.
Yeah.
If you check now there's nothing ingathi yafana la video when anditsho. Ningalibulala anditsho. But la video it's top notch.
Yeah.
Sayishoot we already planned basokwenza kanjani we were shooting about okay so you submit. Ramaphosa, so man lockdown. I think you got lockdown how many days? A week.
Yeah, I can't remember, but I think it was around March, God.
Hey, hayibo. Into okle.
Yeah.
Yeah, sathi ngayizobuya man. Akho isimasi push. Kathiwa yaphinde extend le way.
Yeah.
Una. Gokuleweza the way go got savuleka iwe ngokuba so phela buye kola side or we going to push extend by lockdown.
Yeah.
Yabona momentum yangophela because there's nothing you can do ngoku.
Yeah. Ish.
Saphela ngoku zonke plans zethu fucked up because sayine izoba an event uLoli plus no Chad the Don.
Okay.
Danzo fly up and here Paola side and I was going to be like official DJ yakho Loli. Before you was signed to
MT.
Yeah. So that what happened. Then everything crumbled down.
Yeah, right. Fucked up.
Crumbled down, again.
Nah, don't want to even dwell because yours is stress.
Lockdown, akho yenzekayo like asina income.
Yeah,
but goku siyasela ngotshwala one ngenye into nayiregreta ngo the time ngosela like ezinye izinto laphosa ngezinye izinto laphoswa yenye into like ndiyazi ba is it a curse kanye is a blessing because saphila shaya ingoma ndiyazi ba yazi nguMasambi featuring uZB 6 to Venetic. And then before the coupe nakhupha i-snippet on social.
Yeah.
Mr. Jamela open mic loved it. What okay swingqamene wekhupha yeke lo abethethe ba swingqamene. Yamazi Mr. Jamela?
Yeah.
You wanted to sign us.
Yeah.
Cha bona izosela. Sasela thina yele make izosithatha mali. Yabo izawezi njalo. Sasithi ba okay because akweza scandal kaloku open mic.
Yeah.
Ba akhe ngokusign. Cha was ukuthatha decisions nxa yosela.
Yeah.
We released the song. Yake kuyabuza ayibona ikhupha njani ngoma
Yo.
So that the deal was off.
Shit. I watched the video ka Zakes Bandwini that explains the whole record label thing in a different perspective, yeah boy, and he was saying that artist will be molded by a record label up until a point the fans are in their ears and they tell them, actually, you can do this shit independent, man. And then when they start to do that thing independent, they go down and then they can't come back. It's an evident it's an evident characteristic of being selfish as a person, because the record label helped you to be there and you wanna eat alone instead of like continuing, because that machine is a machine that will always stay there. Images, like it or not, if you want to be there, you have to work with the majors, whether they publish you or whether they sign you as an artist. But anyway, you have to work with them.
No one is independent 100%.
Yeah. But
they were just gonna but I'm 100% independent, but I equally can never be.
Here's one thing people don't understand about you, and I know why they don't understand the concept that you're a producer. Because they can't differentiate between a producer and a beat maker. Boy, that thing, and Antano explain it, because if I ask, but I want to understand which song that you have produced that you felt like, fuck, I'm a genius.
Not the genius. I wouldn't say genius. I'm stuck in between two songs. That is Two-Faced.
Yeah, that was big.
Yeah. And it was Lam.
Yeah, I understand. They understand.
One of the songs we did during the lockdown there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was nice, very nice. The beat was already there, ne?
Yeah.
And the hook was already, but I call a hook, but I call.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nikwa. And you're out, but I felt like, no, you didn't do any justice, Glenn.
Okay.
Let me speak to my people and come up with the, like, lengoma yomoya. You can't just rap about bitches.
Yeah.
So I know people who there is a hotman who are into spirituality. Yeah, I know. Hey, Mambelela. Yeah. So I knew, but who I knew who to speak to, because I want to be closely.
Yeah.
No Taritondo.
Yeah.
I knew, but okay. I send you that 8 bars.
Okay.
8 bars, because I'm from a trip. 8 bars, okay, we better send. Sa hlala pha kalo ngimini kanjani was it during lockdown. Shlentari isancokola lapha sabo ingoma say references ingoma sayazi mase represents ingoma. Say reference ana lengoma ulewes Tumel lewes ka uncle Angba lesano sole ambitious but out stool
Malumo Vector.
yeah. Mine ele mama ele.
Okay, yeah.
So sathi reference kakhulu ngena ngoba ngasikibekela mawuthi lo imamela na uzivi ba usemoyeni, because le ngoma is very much carry 8 bars yawe bethi 16 uthi ngumla njani when ufuna ikhupha that ake Silo mngwana wami wathi yivu Silo that Silo, if you want to figure better, right up a hook.
Yeah.
Just you perfect for the hook.
Yeah.
We don't already ingoma like a 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You very perfect ingoma. Bas ka phela sifake into izotika. Awutare wayibulala. 16
16, yeah.
ubhudlobo yena ukayimamela uthi hayibo Chelsea ngoku yinto niku 80 mna. It was nice. It was nice. So na ngengoma sesishela music video ngoba cha noma ubhudlobo yena ungapha Eastern Cape.
Okay.
And yena thina sikwel side. But ingoma zinje ya noma ungayishutela after 10 years izoba le jonga ulewezulu jonga uZulu boy washutela uNomalanga after how many years.
Even so, honest,
you see ingoma zinje ya and sinqabile ingoma ezinje like sinqabile ingoma ezinje these days. That's why I don't listen kakhulu ku the new cats kakhulu because I feel like it's nice ngoma zazi out is nice, but I think time span is very short. It's very short because
the thing is they don't for me they don't appreciate the art. It's about being relevant and being relevant to who. So the whole thing you about say it's in waiting ngoma doesn't matter. Ngambili ngoma ndithi ndivuke ekseni okay I know ba ke faka ubani apha local fake I can't because into zokuqala ndiyive pha kothithwa wash thenga faka iwash better wash bra the verse ayihlelanga ku beat it's like kuthiwa si style shi slime qoma yo I'm a slime.
Not hating though.
I'm not never. I'm
not hating, but I just don't relate to that kind of music. Maybe nashi yami area shia. Nashiwa. But khona indaba nani mbambelele soon awuzunishiya pro child awuzunishiya bro. I appreciate umculo ka pro child.
Nah, it's different.
It's different.
So you can't put him in like category.
But he's
young. But like you can't put him in like category.
Sorry.
Ne energy yakhe yedwa. And then you akekho umuntu ozothi ifana nekabani. Ne energy yakhe yedwa.
Sure.
Praise and food.
Fucking amazing.
Ayo genius.
Ayipoza there.
Ayi genius.
You know
what happened to Mzala?
Mzala's one is still around.
Like what happened? Like why did you guys stop working? Abana bangamazi Mzala is the first Mzakazeke inkosi. Ayigqiba la era yakhe Mzala. Fike lakhino ngapheliyo.
Mzala usilo ne. So most of abantu bacima phofu na wena wacho ba zange bekho like an agreement or something man. Never, because I was busy in the events zampa ilezi indulwini. And he just approached me when he manager are you manager? And when it comes to management, what I'm going to manage and he has but I helped him was PR site which is something that I know. I know when it comes to PR, no one there husband, but management, what I'm gonna do, I can't sort of kalanga but we this Izama. About though was Izama, but I'm not promising anything. I will do my best. We worked suspend. See, I span just during COVID because we were sasi facing into zethu sonke like because the last into science ayo so i2 kushoot music video yakhe umntaka mama la music video shoot out yam and I director like I was gonna zohamba kanjani but there was no, I wouldn't say bad blood. Proper yena unento ngayi yakhe la mina.
He's been running away from me. Akafunuza.
Akafuni. We worked in lockdown, the first lockdown sessions. Sayikhona ba. Nasishute garage. But saphela I decided not anteta like laphuma ka space man. Laphuma ka space when it comes to to try to help people.
Yeah.
Because somewhere, somehow, you can't help someone where awukho grand ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
But those omsinceda ngayo ngakho grand wena ngaphakathi.
Nah, I'm Samkhalelo Mchita. I feel like he's very creative, man, and he was gonna be one of those people.
I always told him, but when you're supposed to be there.
Yeah,
Because
he's fucking creative.
you came with something way ahead of ixesha zowuthe ngalo.
Yeah.
Because I think uqala kuba uintroducewa kuye mina zakungokuyenza event pa 2018 eSport Complex. La phases, Kitchen Things phases. La introducewa nguye kuthiwa nangu Silo ke nathi location. Khana busy ngala I mean.
Yeah.
Then apparently shayiwe pha elewezeni endulwini. And we damzama ngala PR.
Yeah.
Banimzame with interviews, zama up on izo events. I know some as patalo so kunzima ukuthola a paying event ngeza sikhathi like prior 2020 for the hip hop I act uzoyithola phi.
Yeah.
So namzama lo but I can't next cha sahlula ngexesha le COVID because so too I will talk ngeqala I wasn't doing right mna to be helping someone to better their life where else mna Cochrane because everything kum zayivalekile.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Nah, I'll sit down with him. Maybe uzovakalelwa after bukelele. Because kudala like it's been years.
Yeah,
bo. Ma singathethe imini yonke there's so many things that I haven't asked, but unfortunately we are running out of time and andifuna uyenza ibende kakhulu and then abantu banga bo. But I want to ask you my favorite question, bo. It's a two-way question. What's that one thing that you hear about yourself which is not true? And what's that one thing that people don't know about you which you would like them to know?
One thing that I would abantu bayazi ngami bangayaziyo.
Yeah. Akongazana ongayityanga eGoogs.
Ayibona umchitha. No, like abantu they should like I'm very much to myself, man. La when bayibona ihlam sometimes on social media bengathi ndiyathetha that's just character online. Abanye abantu bafika ngala energy kuba man, I'm not that person. That person is just to kuthetha ingqondo sometimes my inner self. So go fika ngala energy ngoba let's get sazana before anything else as a sazana on a personal level, then you can get that side of me. For social media. Well, I'm that person like Jateta, Clancheli now, not just in Jess Langalin been born as this thing by Tet. Yeah.
Nah, I get you.
My others any question?
Which one did you just answer now?
About one thing about bayazi apart from bangayaziyo.
Okay, yeah. The other side ke ngoku le oba intono ivayo ngawo. Which is not true. It can be a good, it can be a bad thing.
Yeah.
It can be a good or bad thing. Because like people when they hear this question, they think I'm looking for a bad thing.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
It can be even a good thing. Nemali okanye.
Hey, namali. Ngipake ngaphandle ngoku nje. Ngipake phandle nawo ngoku.
Yeah.
So thini na? Oh. Just can I have a small moment of silence? No, andiyazi mfethu. Andifuna uxoxa. Wena into lokho wava ngami.
Nothing. I got I'm like that. There's nothing.
Nah.
Nah, there's nothing.
Now I'm very much I'm a very helping person.
Yeah.
Like ngambuza nokubani like ondikhena sebenza naye.
Yeah.
I'm very much helping. If andikwazi uyenza into ndaxela ndizokwazi uyenza. But kunzima andikwazi ukutsha emntwini ba andikwazi uyenza into because I feel like ndiyaklewenza ndakuvalela le opportunity uyibone ungayisebenzisa yam.
Yeah.
Because if you can check anyone like anyone kuwo bonke abantu like nasebenza ngabe Cape Town, even in SA, even in whatever, they can tell you what ba I'm a very honest person to people.
Yeah.
Ndathanda unceda man. Ndathanda unceda abantu. I think la wena ndayithatha kulo weza kumakulu am.
Okay.
But I think it's playing sometimes ngoba hayi ngoku andakhela but athethi angomsithanda vala umlomo yabo. So I'm like that man.
Oh yeah.
I'm like that.
Oh yeah. Nah, shout out there. I'm Nabulela, man.
Thanks, man.
It's been a long time. Nah, and it's not the last one, Tabo. And Ivali Minyango. Because like I always feel like there should be a follow-up somewhere. Because there's so many things that can happen within a year. Yeah, bo.
I think this one was like introduction.
Yeah,
introduction.
Yeah.
We can talk anytime.
Yeah. No, I appreciate it. And all the best and shout out to Catch No Feelings. Shout out to everything we have done. I think Abandu, they do appreciate the sponsor. There's so many artists that are doing it big right now that have been in your platform. I'm sure maybe Nobufana and I'm one of those people who don't like to take credit.
I just want my work to as you go to ngabanye abantu mhlambi bona khona abanye abantu badibane nami endaweni but boys ndishudule one band le music video don't okay bazokuthuka ba ezive abantu uthetha ngabo dala lasebenza nabo. Yeah, so I let my work.
Funny enough, your artwork made it to Hip Hop Awards.
Which one?
The Rise of Estrato.
The mixtape.
Yeah.
I don't lie.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
That was nominated to awards.
So
do you know that?
Nah.
With about I think Aries and other. It was there, dog. The artwork was there.
I didn't know.
Hi, what, dog?
Serious? I didn't know.
It was there, bro. Go and check it.
Nah.
Best mixtape.
DJ Switch.
Yeah, but it didn't win, but it was there. Within, I think AKA was also there. No, good to me. Okay.
Yeah.
It was there.
Okay, I'll check it out, bro. I'll check it out.
You are in.
Yeah.
Yeah. The one speaks for itself.
I haven't like I'll check out my cold room. Okay.
I get you. Flex a little bit. I'm not stressed. Shout out, guys. Shout out to everyone who's watching. Make sure that you like the video if you love and enjoyed the podcast. Make sure that you share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also tell me on the comments, who would you like to see on the Black Couch podcast? Otherwise, it's crazy, man. I'm doing an Eastern Cape tour very soon. I've been promoting this tour. It's going to be crazy. And also episode number 120, it's going to be live. It's going to be live with live audience again. This is going to be our third episode with live audience. We are going crazy this year, man. 2026. Big 2026. Make sure you go and catch No Feelings. Catch No Feelings online. Check out the videos. There's about K-Kid. There's about AV. I think we've done Mr. P. Nah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out, man. It's your boy Kof Mauchain, Cape Town. Google later Barcelona, Jamaica, Pole. South Africa, man. We out.